Hi friends! As you know, the last capital letters which are X, Y and Z will be taught in this video. The capital letter X starts like the capital letter U, but after turning round on top rule, continue like an oval which is similar to a reverse form of the small letter C, but 3 times bigger. Then turn round on base rule and make a loop that cuts the body of that reverse form almost between head rule and number rule. Now continue the rest of the letter to some extent like a small letter L that covers the previous stroke. As you see here, these two spaces are almost symmetrical. Again, the capital letter Y starts like X, but after turning round on top rule, increase and decrease the pressure to make a lozenge with the highest pressure on number rule. Then turn round on head rule and go up in a curved form. Now start the basic stroke of capital letters at the tangent to the previous stroke and start the pressure as soon as getting separated from it. Start the capital letter Z with the flourish which was drawn for capital letter V, but between number rule and top rule. Continue at the end of this flourish to the right and make a loop which is connected to a lozenge between number rule and head rule parallel with main slope. Continue at the end of the mentioned lozenge to the left and after retracing that, finish the letter to some extent like the basic stroke 4. The last stroke of Z is the same as the tail which was written for capital letter Q and it cuts the lozenge form between number rule and head rule.